Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda, and I'm here with the flip through of the altered little golden book, Winnie the Pooh. So I finished it up despite the fact that I haven't received the charms yet to add to the spine beads. So I'll just do a quick flip through. Here's a collage tag that I hand drew Winnie the Pooh and Piglet, and I colored it in with color pencils, and I really like the way this turned out. Cute. I added a little button, a wooden button, and some of the pages have material tabs, and I put little sparkly beads with a bulb pin on those. Here's another tag that I hand drew, collaged and hand drew. A little collage I did. I did a little bit of stenciling. Here's the flip we did together. I'm sorry, the 3-pocket envelope that we did together, and I just added some tags. A little snippet, some stenciling, colored pages, color paper to color on. Little dangle. An envelope that I sprayed with dye, and I put a little bit of writing paper inside. Another snippet. Corner tuck. Another snippet. More coloring paper. Here's a little journaling card that I made, and I added a little heart paper clip and added some of the spray ink material that I did. Artymaze Gel Print. Here's a belly band that we did together. End of the first signature. The second signature starts off with a little charm dangle, a pocket that I used the ink sprays, some stenciling, colored paper, tag I made, another gel paper from Artymaze, some more stenciling, another envelope with some paper to write on, another paper clip with a little material tie, some more stenciling, another jelly print from Artymaze, another coloring book page, little Winnie the Pooh I added, another pocket that I made out of book pages, Now we're into the third signature. Another belly band we made together. Another tag I made. Another jelly print from Artymaze. Another coloring book page. Some more stenciling. Another book page pocket with a little snippet that kind of looks like a heart. Here's a little flip that I made. I got the inspiration from Miss Paint-A-Lot's September daily that she's doing, and I made this with envelopes. There's writing space here. This flips up. There's writing space here. This flips up and there's writing space here. And it's collaged. That was fun to make. A glassine bag that I used the ink sprays on, and I added some snippet roll and a little classic Winnie the Pooh word quote. Here's another of the 3 pocket envelope that we did together. I added journaling card and a tag and another journaling card. Here's another coloring page. Another pocket on the gel print from Artymaze. I love the way the colors worked in this. And another sprayed book page pocket with a little snippet at the back. And that's it. It was fun to make. I think it turned out really cute. Thank you so much for joining me for these Let's Make for this altered little golden book. I'll be back with some more videos soon. Thank you so much for watching. In the meantime, take care, be safe. Bye-bye, friends.